Say goodbye to two-handed data entry and say hello to single thumb operation with the all-new standalone HaloRing Android wearable. Better ergonomics and better efficiency mean retaining employees while maximizing productivity. Why wait for an evolution? Join the workflow revolution. Or support around-the-clock workflows with the newly upgraded Linea Pro Rugged for iPhone 12, 13, and 14. This high-performance scanner works at distances of up to 35 feet, scans through refrigerator doors, is rated IP65, features an enhanced 6-foot drop rating, has a hot-swappable battery for 24/7 operations, is brandable, and offers a wide variety of accessories. Or, if future-proofing your business is important, then versatility counts. With the Linea Pro Nexus Connect long-range scanner, enjoy variable distance scanning from 6 inches up to 4 to 5 feet. Connect iOS or Android devices using the OtterBox Universe case system for maximum flexibility. Or, if it's labels or receipts you need, 3 or 4-inch mobile printers are available and feature a die-cast aluminum frame made of ruggedized materials ideal for the toughest industrial conditions. Enjoy fast print speeds and easy connections over Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, or WLAN, as well as OS versatility and NFC for easy pairing.